in the class, right?
Morning.
Okay. Oh, you was not there in the previous.
Yes.
Yes.
So we just have started the concept of triangle, Yatika. Yes, Aris, are you saying anything? So we have started triangles, Yatika.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And in triangles, I was talking about the concept of congruency. So I was telling that congruency means nothing but exactly
Exact
same.
same. Yeah,
Yeah,
ma'am,
in
that you
shape
told.
and size. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So there are few, every time it's not possible to just pick up one of the figure and to place it on the other figure to check whether both are same or not. So to avoid those scenario, we are having a certain set of formula in hand. By using those formula, we can check whether two triangles are congruent or not. Till now, I have just slightly given the first and the second formula. That is, let me write it here also.
Yes.
Just a moment now.
Yes, ma'am.
जब वेस्टेड मैट्रेस पे गहरी नींद सोकर उठता हूँ.
Okay, so we were discussing about two formula. At first, I have just given the introduction of two formula. The first formula is side angle side congruency rule. And the second one is angle side angle congruency rule or congruency criteria. So basically, side angle side congruency criteria says if side angle side of one of the triangle is same as side angle side of another triangle, then we can say both the triangle are congruent with each other. This is the sign of congruency. Okay, by using this sign we represent that two triangles are congruent with each other. Similarly, for the second rule says if angle side angle of one of the triangle is same as angle side angle of another triangle, then we can say both the triangles are congruent with each other. Once we will declare that two triangles are congruent with each other, then we can give the conclusion that the corresponding angle, the angle, one of the angle of this triangle is equals to the one of the angle of that triangle. So let's understand it with the help of one question. Okay, side angle side means the sequence must be like, let me take one question. So this will help you to understand how we will take the sequence. Hi Ifra, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. Fine.
So we are continuing this topic triangle. After finishing this topic, I'll be taking your topic. Okay. So it will take few classes to finish this topic, and once we'll be done with this, I'll be taking your topic. So this way, everybody will be learning all the topics. So eventually, in the final exam, all the topics are important for the final exam. So anyway, you have to learn it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why I'm just going like this only. Now continuing with this one, then we'll take your topic. Okay. And everybody will be learning that topic also.
Yes.
Just give me a second. Yeah, question number 2 I am taking from exercise 7.1. Here, let me draw the figure. This figure is already given in the question. Okay. This figure is already given in the question, and the information given with this figure is ABCD is a quadrilateral. As we can see, yes, it's a quadrilateral having 4 sides. Okay. Here it's given that AD is equals to BC. Already mentioned in the question. And it is also given that angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. Proof that triangle ABD is congruent with triangle BAC. We have to show that these two triangles are congruent with each other. These two triangles are exactly same in shape and size. We also have to show that BD is equals to AC. And we also have to show that angle ABD is equals to angle BAC. Let's show it one by one. So, which two triangle we need to focus on? We need to focus on the first. This is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. So, for the first part, ABD triangle and BAC triangle. Let me mark it ABD triangle and BAC triangle. A, this is the triangle which is triangle ABD. Can you see? Okay, I am drawing it separately also so that you can visualize it. A, B, D triangle. And which what's the other triangle? That is BAC. So if we will focus on BAC over here only, you can see BAC, this red triangle. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So BA, and here, like, let me draw it separately only. BA. Both triangle are just mixed with each other, but we have to visualize it separately. Okay. So I am talking about triangle BAC and triangle ABD. Okay, now we will see what are the thing which is given same in this two triangle. Two rules we are having in hand already. One is side angle side, another is angle side angle. So basically we need three information to say that these two triangles are congruent with each other. So what information we are having in hand already, let's list it down. So we know AD. If we are talking about both the triangle, let's write the name of the triangle first. If we are talking about triangle ABD and triangle BAC, it is already given that AD is equals to BC. From where I am writing this one? This was already given in the question. Okay, AD of this triangle is equals to BC of this triangle. That was already mentioned in the question. That's why I have written AD is equals to BC. From where? Given in the question itself. Now the next condition which was given in the question is angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. That means angle DA, this angle, B is equals to angle CBA, this angle. So that angle is equals to this angle, which is also given in the question itself. Let's write it. Angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. From where I'm writing it, it was also given in the question itself. Now, one more information we need so that we can say these two triangles are congruent with each other. So we will see what is the extra information which we are having over here. Now, if you will focus on both the triangle, I'm talking about this red triangle. Just see this figure, the quadrilateral, this figure. Okay. If you will be looking at this figure, you need to figure it out what else is same. So if we are talking about this blue triangle, can you see ABD triangle? AB side is there. In ABD
Yes.
triangle, AB side is there. In other triangle also AB side is there. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
So here both the triangle are having same side, that is AB, the common side they are having. So I am going to write it that AB side is here also, AB side is there also, and that is common side. So either you are listing all the same thing, or you are figuring it out what is common in both the triangle. If any angle is common, you are going to write it because it's same for both the triangle. Or if any side is same for both the triangle, you have to write it down. So here AB is equals to AB. I am writing these are common side. Common side means same side both the triangles are having. Now I have listed three things. I have to check the sequence. So I told you not to check the sequence over here. Just go in one of the triangle and check it. What are the things you have used? So let me take the triangle I'm talking about. Let me take this triangle ABD. Okay, I'm going to check ABD triangle. Here I have used side. Here I have used side AB. Okay. The green one I have used, that is side. Let me write it over here so that it will give you clarity. This side we have used. This side we have used. This side also we have used while showing same or whatever. This angle we have used. So once you will list down whatever is exactly same with the other triangle, you have to get back to any one of the triangle. Either the first one or the second one, doesn't matter. Now, whatever you have used the information, whatever sides, angle, whichever you have shown that it is same with the other one or what, you have to mark it down. This side you have used, this angle you have used, this angle you have used. This way you have to mark it in your triangle. Once you will mark it in your triangle, you can see the sequence: side, angle, side, side, included angle, and then side. This is the meaning of side angle side rule. That side, other side, and included angle. In between both the side, angle has to be there. Then and only then we can say that we have used the rule, that is side angle side congruency rule. Here mentioning the rule is also important. That also carries 1 marks. Okay, so you have to mention the rule properly. Now you must be thinking only 2 rules are there, but only 2 rules are not there. Few more rules are there. And among all the rule, we have to mention it carefully for this particular problem, which rule we have used, which criteria we have used. So here I am going to write that triangle ABD is congruent with triangle BAC by side angle side congruency criteria. Now, I said to you, when you are writing the congruency criteria, The name of the triangle is also important. Here already the name of the triangle ABD and BAC is given in the question. That's why I am not going to think about the sequence of the name. Yes, Yatika, I am telling about that we need to also be careful with the name of the triangle. If the name of the triangle is ABD and if you are writing it DAB, this is incorrect, because we want to show that triangle ABD is congruent with triangle BAC. Here angle A must be equals to angle B of that triangle. Angle B of this triangle must be equals to angle A of that triangle. Angle D of this triangle must be equals to angle C of that triangle. That's why the name of the triangle, the sequence matters. Here one more thing is there, apart from angles, we will also say that this side AB will be equals to side AB, side BD will be equals to side AC, and side AD will be equals to side BC. Once you are declaring that two triangles are congruent, you also have to say which angle will be equals to which angle, which side will be equals to which side. Every time you don't have to say all the angles, all the side, but here when we will be doing the next part of this question, that's why sequence matters. Okay, here we are not careful with the sequence because already the name is given in the question. Can you see for part 1 name is given already?
Yes, ma'am.
ABD BAC. So that's why I'm not thinking, okay, will it be DAB, will it be BDA, will it be CAB or what? We are not thinking because name is already given. But if name will not be given, then we will be thinking about the name also. Okay, now the next part of this question is asking that show that BD is equals to AC. Now, since these two triangles are congruent with each other, their corresponding side, corresponding angle, automatically it will get equal with each other. So from here only we can say BD will be equals to AC or CA, whatever, by CPCT. What is the meaning of CPCT? Corresponding part of congruent triangle. So corresponding part of congruent triangle will automatically get same with each other once you are declaring that two triangles are congruent with each other. So every time, rather than writing, since these two are corresponding part of congruent triangle, that's why these two are same, we are only going to write by CPCT. Okay. Similarly, we can also say that what is the third part which we have to show? The third part is angle ABD is equals to angle BAC. Here we can see from the triangle sequence only we can say that angle ABD, angle B from here is equals to angle A from there, right? Can you see both the angle are written in the middle? Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
B is equals to this A. And to show the proper name of the angle, we can write angle ABD must be equals to angle BAC. Again, from where I am writing this? By CPCT, because these two are corresponding angle and it has to be same once we have proved these two triangles are congruent. So again, I am going to write by CPCT. And this way we are done with part 3 also. This was part 2. This was part 3. So part 2 and part 3, you don't have to do anything. You just must have the knowledge of CPCT, that is corresponding part will automatically get same. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yatika, is it same? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do the next one. Okay, quickly we'll be doing the rest of the question once you will learn the concept. So number 3. This is the figure we are having. Here we are having 90 degree. Here we are having 90 degree. Here is O. Here is B. This is C. This is there. This is there. Here is A. Here is D. Let me write the information given. AD and BC are equal perpendicular to a line. AD is equals to BC. It is already given in the question. Okay. Perpendicular, that means this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 90 degree. That too is given in the question. Show that CD bisects AB. We have to show that straight line CD is cutting the straight line AB in two equal parts. That means the straight line AB is getting cutted in two equal parts, right? So can we say we have to show OA is equals to OB, because AB is getting cutted by CD in two equal parts. So at O, can you see it is cutting it in two equal part? OB is equals to OA. That's what we have to show, right? That is the meaning of
Yes,
bisection.
ma'am. Yes, yes.
We will start from our concept. Whatever we know, like OA is equals to OB. To prove this, we have to prove these two triangles are congruent with each other. Which two triangle I am talking about? I am talking about the upper triangle and the downward triangle. Once we will say that these two triangles are congruent with each other, automatically, once we will say that this triangle and this triangle are congruent, then automatically we will say that this side is equals to this side by CPCT. You know, any one of the, like, every pair of side will be equal. Like from here, what one of the side will be equals to one of the side from that triangle. Similarly, the other side will be equals to the other side of that triangle. So if we will prove that this triangle, the upper one and the lower one, are same triangle or congruent triangle, then easily we will be able to say that OA will be equals to OB by, since these two are corresponding part of congruent triangle. So let's prove the congruency and then we will be showing OA and OB. Now here we need to be careful with the name of the triangle. So initially, whatever name feels comfortable to you, just take that name. So I'm talking about triangle BOC, triangle AOD. Let me write it. What we here, I'm not thinking about the name of the triangle. Randomly, I'm just taking one of the triangle, other triangle, whatever name I'm just comfortable with, I'm writing it. Okay. Now the information we will write it, whatever we are having in hand. So we are already having in hand that BC from there, BC from there is equals to AD from here. From where I am writing? From here. That is given. We also know this is 90 degree, that is 90 degree. So let's write it. We know that angle OBC is equals to angle OAD. Both are 90 degree and that is also given. Now we also know that this angle is equals to this angle. Can we say both are vertically opposite angle? Can we? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So these are the pair of vertically opposite angle. Now let me tell you, all the information will not be given in your hand. Something you have to figure it out by yourself by using the previous concept of mathematics. Just the whatever you have learned in mathematics till now, any of the information you have to just figure it out all by yourself. Okay, maybe one information will be given and two you have to just take it out by yourself from the triangle. So here two information was given and the third one we are picking the vertically opposite angle. So I am going to write that angle BOC over here is equals to angle AOD over there, because again we have to write the reason vertically opposite angle. Now I said to you to get back to your triangle and then check by using any of the triangle, either the upper one or the lower one. Which rule exactly you are using? Are you using angle side angle? Are you using side angle side? So I am going to mark. Okay, this angle I have used. This angle I have used. And what else? This side I have used. So is it any formula? Which formula we have learned? Let's get back to the
Angle side
formula.
angle
Side.
Yeah, angle side rule is there, but this chapter is having all the composition of all the rules or what? Let me check. Because before this exercise, only 2 rules was introduced. That's why I have also written 2 rules, or just 2 rules over here. So let me write all the rules over here, then it will be more comfortable for you also. So rest of the rules are side. Next one is, because I can see the question are already mixed up, side angle side. Next one is angle side angle. After that, we are having angle side. And the next one we are having RHS, that is right angle, hypotenuse, and one of the side. So yes, these are the set of rules which I was talking about, that only 2 rules are not there, a lot of rules are there, and it is important to identify the rule. So yes, these are the list of the rule, and I believe in all the question we are going to pick the rule from this section only. So we will get back to it and we will be picking the rule from here only. Now if you will look at the sequence, it looks like angle side, right? Yes, anyone?
ASA and AAS means angle side angle and angle side. Both are different.
Yeah, both are different. Here, angle side angle means if you are having a triangle. So angle, just next to this angle, you will be having side. Just next to this side, you will be having another angle. Very next to each other, not randomly scattered in a triangle. Or you can say one side will be there here, one side will be there, here angle, here angle. That is angle side angle. Can you see?
Yes,
Angle side angle. And what about angle side? So here angle side will be like this, angle, and then side. These two are different rule, Yatika.
Okay, ma'am.
Getting it?
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yeah. So in this, for this question, we have taken, we can see its angle, and then very next to angle we are having another angle, and then very next to another angle we are having side. So it is angle side. Getting it? So here we can say these two triangles are congruent with each other by angle side rule. Is there any angle side rule? Yes, this rule is angle side rule. The second last rule, okay? This one. This one. This is angle side rule, and here we are using that rule only to show the congruency of both the triangle. Now I was talking about the name of the triangle. You must write the name properly. So here I am going to show you how to write the name properly. Whatever information you have listed down, okay, on the basis of that only you are going to decide the name. So BC of this triangle is equals to AD of that triangle. Okay. Now angle B over here is equals to angle A over there. That is okay. Angle O over here is equals to angle O over there. So if wherever you are going to write O here, That place only O will take for the other triangle also. So I can say triangle OBC is equals to triangle OAD. Are you getting it?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
you can also say triangle BCO is equals to triangle ADO. Then and only then I can say BC, AD, angle B, angle A, O, O. Okay. So whatever information you are having in hand, according to that information only you will declare what will be the name of the triangle. If name is already given in the question, you don't have to think about it. If name is not given, then yes, please write the name properly, because this name will only guide you. BCO is equals to ADO I am writing. Now this name will only guide you that what is the set of corresponding angle, what is the set of corresponding side. So corresponding angle B of this triangle will be equals to angle A of that triangle. Angle C of this triangle is equals to angle D of that triangle. Let's mark it here so that it will just get clear to you. Okay. So I am saying that triangle BCO is congruent with ADO. Just a moment. Let me share it again. Can you see the screen? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am saying BCO is equals to triangle ADO, not equal, congruent. Okay. Now angle B is 90 degree in that triangle. Angle B is 90 degree in this triangle. Angle C over there, this angle. If suppose this is X, then angle D over here will be X only, because these two are corresponding angles of two congruent triangle. Angle O over there is equals to angle O over here. That we already know, it's a vertically opposite angle. Now we will also get the side, that is side BC over there is equals to side AD over here. Side BC is equals to side AD. That was already given in the question, but something which was not given in the question, that also we will get from here only. Side CO is equals to side BO. So sides, this CO, this one is equals to side DO over here. If that side is Y centimeter, then this side will also be Y centimeter over here. Okay. Similarly, side BO is equals to side AO. Okay. Side BO, side AO. What we have to prove? Can you see this part? Can you see, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
This is what we wanted to prove here, right? Now, according to our name, are we able, like, have we proved this OA is equals to OB? Yes, we have proved OB is equals to OA. How? Because these two are corresponding part of congruent triangle. Here, one thing I have not written till now, that is the rule. Here, when writing congruency, I need to also write down the rule. By which rule we have used? Angle, angle, side, right? So by angle, angle, side congruency rule. And here only we can write hence OB or BO is equals to AO. By, again I am saying CPCT we will be writing, but CPCT means because these two are corresponding part of congruent triangle. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
This is how, if you will take one question and if you will start solving the question, you will just start feeling confident about this topic, because nothing else is there. Only you just have to identify everything, whatever is same, and you have to list it down. You have to get back to your triangle. You have to check which rule you are is setting over, just getting you are getting over here, and then you have to declare that by this rule these two triangles are congruent. If already name is given in the question, we don't even have to think about the name of the triangle. If name is not given, then according to the list which you have made, you have to figure out the name of the triangle properly, because that name will further guide you to identify which angle is are same, which sides are same. Let me take the other question. So I am going to take a quite tougher problem, okay, the trickier one. Number 6 I am going to take directly. Here it's given that in this figure AC is equals to AE. I'm writing everything whatever is given in the question. Now it is also given that AB is equals to AD and angle BAD is equals to angle EAC. And we have to show that BC is equals to DE. Now, without proving the congruency, it is not possible to show that these two triangles are like these two sides will be equal with each other. I am talking about side BC and side DE. Where is DE? Okay, these two are also joined. I have not joined it. These two are also joined. Yeah, so we have to show that side BC is equals to side this DE. Okay, now we have to figure it out how can we say that these two sides are equal with each other. Since we have to prove that these two sides are equal, we have to take out such a triangle, such triangle where this side and that side must be there, so that just after proving the congruency we can say, okay, these two sides are corresponding side of the congruent triangle, hence it will be equals to each other. But before that, we also have to figure it out which two triangle we can take to show that it's congruent. Okay, so if I am looking at this side BC, what I'm thinking about triangle ABC. Can you see ABC? We have to take such a triangle so that side BC must be there. So I am just right now I'm thinking about triangle ABC. Can you see triangle ABC? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am thinking about taking triangle ABC. I am also not sure whether it will work, whether it will not work. But since I have to take BC side, so that's why I'm gonna try with triangle ABC. So ABC. Other triangle I'm going to take where DE side must be there. So other triangle I'm going to take as triangle ADE. ADE. I have drawn it separately, but both the triangles are just mixed with each other. Can you visualize both the triangle in the actual figure? triangle AD and triangle ABC. Now let's list down whatever is same in both the triangle. If anything is same even or not, that also we have to check. So we know AC in triangle ABC I am taking, and triangle ADE I am taking. Okay, here the name you can write anyway, just your choice. Now list down the things which are same, the sides which are same, the angles which are same. So I am going to write side AB from here is equals to side AD from there. From where? From here. Can you see? Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
is given already. So I am going to write given over here. Now, what else is same in these two triangles? So angle BAD is not here. Angle EAC is not there in that triangle. Apart from that, we are having these two also same. AB is equals to AD. Yeah, that we have written. AC is equals to AE also we are having. Okay, so side AC is equals to side AE. That is given in the question itself. So let me write it. AC is equals to AE. Don't worry about the sequence in which I am noting, or the sequence in which you are going to note down. That sequence doesn't matter. You are just writing everything whatever is equal with each other. Anyway, up and down doesn't matter. Okay, that is also given. Now angle is given same, angle BAD, angle EAC. But if you will look at this figure here, is it possible to find angle BAD in the first triangle, angle EAC in the second triangle? Is it possible? Can you see angle BAD in the first triangle? Is it
Yes,
visible?
ma'am. It is possible.
It is possible. Yes, Yatika, angle BAD is there in our first triangle. Forget about that left hand side figure. The right hand side which I have drawn separately, just see that figure and tell me angle BAD is there in the first triangle or not? BAD, no. Angle EAC, is it there in the second triangle? EAC,
No.
it's not there. EAC is not there. Okay, so this information till now is not helping us. We have to figure it out how it will help us. Okay, now just let's get back to the original picture, original figure. So here in original figure, this is the angle. In the original figure, this is the angle, the orange one. Okay, this is angle BAD, and that is angle EAC. Both the orange figure, orange angle, can you see? Can you see both the orange angles?
Ma'am.
Yes. So if this is X, that is X, because it's given. BAD is equals to EAC. It's given. If this is X, that is X. Now, if I'm taking the middle angle as Y, then can we say the total angle, this total angle is X plus Y? Can we say?
Yes.
And similarly, can we say, forget about this part, can we say this total angle, the green one, is X plus Y?
Yes.
So I am going to write now angle BAC, this became X plus Y, and that angle EAD totally became X plus Y. X and X was given as a same, BAD, EAC was given as a same. Meanwhile, one part was there in our actual figure, which was common in this triangle also, in that triangle also. So if X is same, the common part is there in both the triangle, then obviously total angle over here will be equals to total angle over there. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to understand? Is there any confusion, Aris?
No.
So I am going to write now that angle BAC is equals to angle DAE. Why? Because BAD and EAC were same. It was given and it was same. That's why we just came to the conclusion that total angle over here and total angle over there will be same. Now what I said to you, we need 3 information basically, and we will just check it out which formula is working here. But before checking it out, you have to mark everything, whatever you have listed down in your triangle. So I'm going to take the triangle ABC and I'm going to list down. I have used this side AB. I have used this angle. And I have also used this side. Can you see the sequence? Can you see the sequence? Which sequence it is following?
Side angle side.
Side angle side. Is there any rule which says side angle side? Yes, there is a rule. Okay. So 4, 5 rules are there. You have to keep in mind this rule. And every time, whenever you are getting any rule, you have to just get back to your rule book and you have from the memory only. And you have to check is this rule is valid or not. So yes, this rule is there. That is side angle side. Now I am going to write this triangle is congruent with that triangle by side angle side congruency rule. But which triangle and which triangle? Here the name is not given. We have to write the name by ourselves, right? So we will look at the information which we have listed down. The information is AB over here is equals to AD over here. AC over here is equals to AE over there. So if I will be writing triangle AB over here is equals to AD over there. AC, AE. So if I am writing AC like this, AE must come like this. And angle also I have to check it whether it is coming in the triangle which we have written. So angle A from here is equals to angle A from here. So both the A are at same place. Yes, we are okay with the name of the triangle. Can you see how I am writing the name? Now on the basis of the name only we can say what we have to prove over here. We have to show that BC is equals to D. BC, can you see BC is equals to DE? That's what we wanted to show. Let's check the name of the triangle. BC, DE. By CPCT. Is it clear? Is it
Yes,
clear to
ma'am.
everyone?
Yes.
If you are not writing the name properly, then BC and DE will not come out as the same. Okay, you will keep on thinking how to take same, which angle to take same, which side to take same. Randomly, if I am drawing like one of the triangle like this, and maybe one of the triangle like this. So how you will identify which side is equals to which side over here? So just on the basis of your list, you have to name the triangle, and just on the basis of the name of the triangle, you can identify which are corresponding side and which are corresponding angles. Okay. Otherwise, it might be very confusing because just by looking at the picture, you will not be able to recognize that which angle is same as the other, like which angle. Let's do few more questions from here. Number 7. Okay, I'm just giving the quick review of number 7. Even number 7 is same like number 6 only. Let me check number 8. Okay, let's do number 8. because number 7 is also same. Everything is given over there, and there is a common part which you have to take same. Like this angle is equals to that angle, which is already given. But when you will look at your picture, you will not be able to use the angles given. So just like the previous question, you have to take the common angle as a y. Then you will find that this became total x plus y, that became total x plus y, like that. And eventually both the angle became same. It's exactly like the previous one. Let's do number 8. Here we are having this picture. Here it says in a right triangle ABC, right angle at C. ABC is a right angle triangle, and here we are having 90 degrees. M is the midpoint of the hypotenuse AB. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB. That means AM must be equals to BM. It is not written, but if midpoint is said, then I can write this conclusion by myself. Okay. Now this also says that C is joined to M and produced to a point D such that DM is equals to. It is given that DM is equals to CM. We have to show that triangle AMC is congruent with triangle BMD. We also have to show a right angle, like DBC. Angle DBC is a right angle. We also have to show triangle DBC is congruent with triangle ACB. Let's see how can we do that. Okay. So which two triangle we have to show congruency? The first one. The first one we will be focusing at first. Okay. AMC, BMD. AMC. When the name is given, you don't even have to think about anything. Okay. Just go check the triangle and list down everything. So AMC. Can you see this triangle AMC? AMC and BMD. Here again, vertically opposite angle. Can you see? Right? What else we are having same? Whatever you are having same, just list it down. So angle DMB is equals to angle AMC. Vertically opposite. What is given? AM is equals to BM is given. And what else is given? DM is equals to CM. Okay. So already 3 informations are given. DM from here is equals to CM from there. Let's check it in our triangle, which congruency rule, because we also have to mention the rule. If you are not mentioning the rule, you are losing the marks. So this angle I have used. This AM side I have used. And this DM CM side I have used. So can you see side, included angle, and then side and included angle? Can you see? Yes or no? So can we say side angle side rule we have used?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is how you can do the first part, and let's see the next part quickly. DBC is right angle. We have to show that DBC is right angle. Yeah, this DBC, this one we have to show that it's a right angle. So anyway, like how can we say that it's a right angle? Anyone? Ifra, you have done this topic, no? Yes, Ifra?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Is it possible, like how, what will be the approach to say DBC will be right angle? It will be 90 degree. Now, if we will focus on this two triangle, DBC and triangle DBC and triangle ACB, which we have to prove eventually in third part. Okay. Let's see what information we can list down for this two triangle. Once we will show that these two triangles are congruent with each other, then we can easily say that is 90, then this will be 90, right? Because these two are corresponding angles. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's say what are the information we are having in hand about these two triangles. So when we will focus on this triangle and the other one, so when we will focus on this triangle and this triangle, we can see side BC is common in both the triangle. Yes. Can you see BC is common in both the triangle? Are you able to get it? Common side. What else is same? So here from the previous, which we have proved the first part, from there I am getting BD and AC are corresponding part of congruent triangle. From the first part, which we have already proved, we can say that AC is equals to BD by CPCT. That's the uses of this corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay. We can also say from here that MC from here is equals to MD from here, BM from here is equals to AM from there. Angles also we can say that here we were talking about these two triangles. Let me take other color. We were talking about these two triangles. Initially, we were talking about these two triangles. This pink triangle and that pink triangle. Initially, for the first part, I was talking about this two triangle. We have already proved that these two triangles are congruent with each other. Since these two are congruent with each other, here corresponding side will be same. Here corresponding angle will also be same. We have not listed it down because it was not asking in the second part, but we need those things for proving the next part. Okay. So from here, I can say that angle A from here is equals to angle B from there. Angle C from here is equals to angle D from there. This angle A and this angle B are equal. Okay. Similarly, angle C from there is equals to angle D from there, because these are corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay. Now this information we can use while proving